Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Nelo here as always, coming at you with a fresh fine face and Kobe in the background wearing his daddy's shirt. But you guys, hope you guys are fine. And yeah, I just want to start another vlog. Oh, I'm looking too bright. Let me move back. I just wanted to come here and start another vlog, guys. I just finished filming 2 videos. Both of them should have been up before this video, and I'm about to make lunch with this fine face because we cannot go out, cannot do anything. So this fine face I made up like this to come and make lunch for you people in this house. But I hope you guys are doing fine and just stick along with me for this vlog, okay? So guys, you people, I'm sure you can see makeup while I'm looking like a mad person. So I'm attempting the Don't Rush challenge with a bunch of girls. It's Kelly Girl that brought it up, Chantel Ayan here on YouTube, in case you guys don't know. So she messaged me and she was like, thank you, Coco. Thank you.
Mommy, where's Kama's teacher?
Where's Kama's what?
Where's Kama's teacher?
Kama's teacher is in Kama's school. So Kelly Girl, Jesus, look at my twin. Look at my twin. Yeah. So Kelly Girl messaged me and was like, we should do the Don't Rush challenge because I've been seeing a lot of bomb ass ones on Instagram. And of course I said yes, of course I want to do the challenge. In case you guys are hearing the rain, I'm in front of the window and it's raining. Anyways, yeah, so I just attempted that challenge. See you guys, do you know how I know that I'm old now? I am officially old. Like I am officially very, very old because see this TikTok thing. I just Okwehomeme. That I'll translate. What's the meaning of Okwehomeme? It not green me do. What's the real meaning of Okwehomeme, Uche? I'm asking you. Okwehomeme. I cannot do it. Thank you. That is the English meaning. Like literally, I just can't figure TikTok out. I don't know how all of you are figuring it out. Like I know it's the younger generation that are really into it now. I mean, I've seen a lot of old women like me, but I just can't figure TikTok out. It's so freaking difficult. The other one I wanted to do, this couples challenge one, I cannot figure it out, you guys. I cannot figure it out. So please, if you know how to do that couples challenge one, please let me know because I want Francis and I to do that couples challenge. I want Uche and I to do some, and just those ones that will be asking questions. You close your eyes and be pointing on this direction, that direction. Your girl cannot figure it out. God, this is embarrassing. This is actually embarrassing, but it's funny. So if people know how to do it, please just in the description just explain it in details for me. In details, or not vaguely. In details, I beg you in the name of God. Just explain it so that friends and I can attempt that couple challenge and things like that. This TikTok is so difficult, it's so complicated. Why is it freaking complicated? Like, why can't it be like Instagram where everything is easy? Why does it have to be complicated? It's ridiculous. Anyways, this is the first TikTok challenge that I'm going to be doing. Even though this one is a TikTok challenge, but I think it's on Instagram that people normally put it out. I can't even remember my TikTok handle, so I'll tell you guys to go and follow me. It's Nelo_Okeke. So it's the same thing all over my social media. Instagram, TikTok, Twitter is all Nelo_Okeke. I'm going to put on the screen. But see, don't expect TikToks from me. Let me know even. Nah, I don't know if I'll figure it out. I don't even know if I'll figure it out. But that's my TikTok. In case you guys want to follow me, it's very, very new. I just opened the account. It's really, really new. So go and follow your girl and let's see.
My phone calls. In fact, you never answered
I see people are really doing this thing. How? Like this voice now that is playing. Is it that you download it off the app or you get it from the app? Explain to your girl, please. I want to be tush like all of you. I want to jump on this trend, but I'm just too old to understand it. So people should explain to me. Let me do TikTok. Uche will even do some TikTok for people too. Since she says she's a singer now and a dancer and an actress. He says she'll do TikTok dance. Oh, you know TikTok too?
Yes, ma'am.
You know how to do TikTok?
Yes.
Wonders shall never end. You're on TikTok?
Yes, ma'am.
Wonders shall never end. She says she's on TikTok, but she doesn't have fans yet. Ngwanu. Hopefully I figure this TikTok thing out. If I do, I'll come back and update you guys for the end of this vlog. But in the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and put our Don't Rush challenge. In fact, I'm not going to put people should come follow me on Instagram, please, so that you watch the full clip of the Don't Rush challenge. Because by the time this vlog goes up, we should have finished it and put it all together, and it's going to be bomb, hey guys. It's going to be bomb. Okay, so this makeup was just for the challenge. Now your girl is going to wipe it all out and deal with these children. I have to chase them in to come and sleep because they have been disturbing the hell out of me. Look at their room, scattered as always. Look at Look at this tripod is so this tripod like it can go further than my old tripod because this is the tripod from my tripod that I use in filming. It's funny. This is it's a tripod from my very big tripod. I don't know how I've said tripod a lot. But basically you guys are getting a bigger view. I like it. Let me go know what the students are doing. Let me show you people. Then wipe off this makeup as soon as possible. Yeah, they're even in my room. See them. Oh, by the way, see our passage. This is the old mattress that used to be in their room and the middle room. We don't even know what to do with the mattress, so it's here. They play and jump here all the time. Yeah, people should come out of my way. Look at who is 4 months today. I don't know, it's 4 months. You guys, look at our kitchen today. Look at our kitchen. Ada Jesus. Ada Jesus. How are you? Orobs. Orobo. This clothes she's wearing, you guys, this is for 12 months. 12 months is what she's wearing, and she's turning 4 months today. We are 4 months today. Hey, baby. Hey. So, guys, Adana is about to eat with spoon for the first time. So, I bought this cow gate. I hope you guys can see it. Is it focused? I can't really see the camera. But, anyways, I bought this cow gate. And you guys can see it's from 4 to 6 months, and Ada Jesus turned 4 months today. And oh, this is cow and gates. That's how it's pronounced. This is their fruity porridge. It has a lot of really good things, and I mean a whole lot. I can't name it all, but from pear to orange to millet, corn, rice, pineapple, banana, and a whole bunch of things. So we're about to give it to her. This is going to be her first time ever feeding with spoon. Ada Jesus, are you excited? And I don't have a cup, so I made it inside her feeding bottle. See the way she's looking at the food. It's almost like she knows what's coming. Oh yeah, nah. Let's try. I think she swallowed it though. So you guys know that Adana turned 4 months today. She's a big girl now. So we just tried to feed her with spoon for the first time. And she did pretty well, to be honest. She did well. This is just the very first try. I can't wait for her to get used to spoon. And Momsi was just telling me that, well, she was not just telling me, we've had this discussion before. See, Adana is such a good girl. It's currently 3 o'clock now. And her last meal was 7:30 a.m. 7:30 a.m. and she did not cry, she did not force, nothing. You guys know she's on solid, so it actually stays in her tummy for a very, very long time, longer than if she was just taking only formula. So in the night, usually she eats before sleeping, and then I wake up like 4 or 5 hours later and feed her again once in the middle of the night. But I think I want to stop that now. I think she has actually outgrown eating in the night on her own. Just I used to feel so bad. I'm like, oh, she's a baby, she needs to eat. But sometimes even when I make the food, she'll not even want it. She'll not waste it for me. So I'm thinking that I should stop. I've told Momsi to not let me pack her food this night as I'm going to bed. She should just let me carry the water alone. But we'll see how it goes. Since she turns 4 months today, I'm hoping that she'll stop eating at night so that once she sleeps, I know it's till the next morning. She's such a good baby, you guys. This is as good as they come. It's as good as they come. She's such a good baby. It's okay. Ada Jesus, look at your fine face. Oh my God. Look at your beautiful face. Everything must enter mouth. You're just so adorable, baby girl. Sleep. She's rubbing her eyes. What are you guys doing?
We're painting.
Kama, what color are you painting?
Blue.
We're painting blue. Kobe is painting what color?
Red.
Kobe is painting red on a yellow paper. Kaito, what color are you painting?
He's painting yellow. I'm painting yellow.
Good. Kaito is painting yellow on a red paper. That's how we're keeping busy this morning.
Yellow paper.
Kobe is almost done. He likes to paint everything. This one is not an artist, okay? He just colors the book basically. This one is trying to be an artist here. You guys, so this is about 3-4 days after I updated you guys about TikTok. See, I am currently on TikTok and I am obsessed. In fact, I've gone to drag Francis that he should come and do TikTok with me, okay? He should come and do with me. Like, we're trying to do this this one.
I don't know. Did you do something to make me mad?
Anyways, and it's so much fun. I'm still very, very bush, extremely bush. I'm trying to figure it out. This thing is hard. You guys have to find the sound, then act it out, then practice dance steps. In fact, I tried to do some with these children and frustration wanted to kill me. Okay, we have to do something to keep busy this period, and TikTok is looking like it's going to be a good time waster or time, what's the word, I don't know, just time passer. Okay, and yes, on TikTok I'm Nelo _Okeke. I'm going to put on the screen, so please, next now 4 days later, I'm not telling you guys to follow me because I'm going to be creating content there. At first, I didn't know if I was going to be creating content, but now I'm almost certain I'm going to be creating content. So please follow your girl on TikTok. By the way, I was here with these children and now I cannot hear anybody's voice. Sit there. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where were you? Where did you go before?
To the parlor.
You went to the parlor? We finished engaging them on activities this morning and now they're just playing before they'll go to sleep. Francis is about to start working. Oh, his name is not Francis. Baby. Baby is about to start working. Which are in 2000, something you have forgotten. Baby is about to start working. You guys, baby is in the background somewhere there. And yeah, there's really nothing. I don't even know what we're going to eat this afternoon, to be honest. See, you people, this whole period is all about food. Everything is about food. Like, I wake up in the morning, I'm thinking, what are we going to eat? Then after I eat breakfast, I'm thinking, what are we going to eat for lunch? Then after I cook lunch, what are we going to eat for dinner? Because there's literally nothing better to do with my time that is not eating and TikTok. That's all I do with my time. And grandma is very helpful with Adana, extremely helpful with Adana, so I don't really have to do much when it comes to Adana, to be honest. And update as well, Adana now sleeps through the night without any feeding. Okay, so the day she turned 4 months, we decided not to feed her that night. Well, I decided not to feed her that night. My mother-in-law encouraged me, and it worked out so well because Adana has not really been an eater anyways in the night. She eats like once in the night. And she slept till morning, you guys, till morning. She did it again yesterday, and officially we've just stopped feeding her in the night. And she eats her last meal around 10, then she sleeps, and that's till like 7 a.m. the next morning, where I now feed her again so that she can now sleep till around 10. Noise is too much. I don't know if you guys can hear me, and heat is too much. I'm already beginning to sweat. See, this country, under this whole lockdown period, still no light is horrible. It is horrible. If you guys are in America and other parts of the world, they are lucky because at least you have electricity, okay? You have light, you have AC, you have good weather. Here is just mad.
Don't go fast again. Don't go fast. I'm going slow. Not slow.
So you guys, see, this quarantine is not for everybody, okay? See, I have not driven a car in almost 2 weeks. So after I went to the market on Friday and Saturday, like 2 weeks ago. Okay, I think I went out on Monday, and today is Friday of the upper week. So I've not driven in almost 2 whole weeks. And you guys, can I talk, please? Thank you. Sit down, sit down. And I brought these kids downstairs for us to play. You guys just saw that clip, and I just decided to take a drive. Okay, let's just drive around. We're not coming down, we're not buying anything. In fact, my wallet is upstairs, so I'll not be tempted to actually come down, because we try to go out in this house once a week, and it's usually Francis, who is always very careful. He just gets things like bread and like fufu. We like a lot of fufu and we like to buy it fresh. Okay, he buys bread, fufu. If we need any new medication that we don't already have, like yesterday he had to buy Kobe's eye drop because Kobe get allergic reactions in his eyes. Then what else did he buy yesterday that was important? Water. Then we also have to buy dispenser water, even though we bought like 10 or so cartons of water just to have in case of emergency. But we don't like to use it till it's very necessary, so we still go out to buy dispenser water. Okay, yeah, that's a dog. So yes, once a week we go out to buy very important things, and I've just not driven since. So this is me going out, and yeah, I'm just reversing in my compound right now. I can't wait to actually see outside, you guys. It has been so long I saw outside. This is not my car, this is not my, hold on, this is not my seat setting. Yes. People should sit down. We're not even going out, to be honest. I'll probably just drive down my street, come back out, and I will call it a day. But at least I've driven and I've left the house somehow.
Meanwhile, she was running. No, she was running.
Eva was happy to see me.
Let's go. She said she was running. Where did we have? No, she said.
Oh, I've missed you people. See, you guys, we're doing social distancing. Even though we came to see them, we're keeping. Is it 1 feet? They said, or 6 feet?
It's supposed to be like one
But these two, they already did high five. So technically, we all have coronavirus now. Evie, how are you? See, she's just saying. So guys, it is currently Sunday afternoon, and this vlog is actually going up today, so I was just editing it, and yeah, I just wanted to come here and end it because I didn't really end the vlog well. I've had these kids to sleep. You guys can see Kobe here, Kaito and Kaima there. Normally I don't even let Kaito stay here when they're trying to sleep in the afternoon because he keeps disturbing them. So I normally back him. I'm sure you guys have seen it in the vlog this period. I normally back him and just stay in my room, and he sleeps off in like 5 minutes once you put him at the back. And I don't know how to be backing Kaito, and Adana is reaching to back, okay? I just don't know how we'll do it, but thank God there's Uche will back one, I'll back one. But anyways, guys, yeah, so I've started to do another week of upload. So I uploaded for a week straight and I rested. Sorry. So now I think I'm going to do another week of uploads and I rest again the upper week. I think I just prefer it this way. So the week I'm working, I know I'm putting out content. So I'm putting out 2 weeks worth of content in 1 week so that the upper week after that I can just rest. I really enjoyed this week of rest, and yeah, even though I got bored, I will not even lie, okay? Like 3 days in, I was like, oh my God, what am I doing in my life? What am I doing in my life? You guys, I don't know what my life will be like without YouTube, without filming and editing. It was just boring, okay? I got so bored, but the rest was actually good for me. So I'm going to keep doing it at least as much as I can. And if it gets to a point where I'm not able to, I'll just start releasing video with my normal schedule again. So no big deal, no pressure. But yeah, so you guys should expect a video every single day this week. Something's going on in my background. I can't even see. I don't know what's going on. But he's trying to pee, but he's not. Oh, come, let me wait for you. He has finished peeing, but he doesn't know how to put on his pants back, his shorts. Anyways, guys, hope you guys are all doing fine. Hope you guys are staying safe. Please, if you've not subscribed already, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, kakawait, and all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I'm already preparing lunch, so let me go and finish up. And I have to film Wednesday's video today, or Tuesday's video. I have to film Tuesday's video today. So I'll see you guys in my next one, okay?